My lactation bag, because when we're talking about feeding, so much can be going on. So I love having breast models and to be able to talk about bottles. I had some things left over from my own journey, so I like to talk about that. Pull in flanges when we're talking about sizing, what comes with your pump versus what may actually work best for your body. Then we can actually do some demos here, right? Even syringes for those early days. I also have some small milk collectors for storage. These are super cute in those early days, and bags, of course, for when we're talking about larger volumes. Oh, I always carry this around too. If we are going to supplement or mix with formula, particularly powdered formula, talking about measuring, safety, and cleaning and storage, and also how to properly prepare bottles. I also got some guides and cheat sheets in here. This pocket guide, which was foundational to the CLC training journey on one of the older volumes, but still relevant and still absolute. And finally, several handouts that I have loved over time, different things that I can refer to, different resources that are out here in these streets. I might even send them to a parent if they request, or give them a direct link to help with some things. The basic anatomy, we can, really get into it if you want to. You never know how far someone maybe wants to geek out. But knowing the anatomy of the breast can be super helpful, and some helpful tools for pumping and hand expression. So yeah, these are just a few things.